In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an ETrade watchlist. A watchlist is a simple, organized way to keep an eye on the stocks you care about without placing any trades. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, named list ready to track price moves at a glance, whether you're watching tech names, long-term holdings, or potential day trades. Start by logging into your ETrade account. Once you're in, head to the Research or Markets area. You'll usually find this in the main navigation at the top of the site. If you prefer, you can also go directly to the watch list section on the Quotes and Research page. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your layout, but you're looking for a page that shows market data and offers a watch list panel or tab. On that page, select Create Watchlist or New List. Both options do the same thing. They open a blank list that you can customize. This is where you'll define what the list is for, which makes it easier to manage multiple lists later. Think of it like creating folders on your computer. Clear names help you find things fast. Give your watch list a descriptive name. For example, you might choose tech stocks for a sector-focused list, long-term for core holdings you plan to keep, or day trades for fast movers you want to monitor closely. Pick something that tells you at a glance what's inside, and keep it short so it displays well on smaller screens. Now it's time to add stocks. In the add field, type a ticker symbol like AAPL, TSLA, or NVDA, then press enter after each one to add it to the list. Tickers are the short codes associated with each company. If you don't know a ticker, no problem. Start typing the company name and select the correct match from the suggestions. Take a moment to double-check that you've added the right symbol before pressing enter, especially for companies with similar names. Repeat this process for every stock you want to include. When you're done adding symbols, save the list. Look for a Save or Done button to confirm your changes. After saving, your watch list will appear in your watch lists area, ready for quick access whenever you log in. From here, you can open it to view live quotes and monitor how your selections perform over time. That's it. Your ETrade watch list is set up and ready to work for you. Thanks for watching, and happy tracking.